guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a polish swatch of the Born Pretty Fairbanks Arts. This was sent to me from Born Pretty as a gift whenever they were doing their giveaways for the new series that came out. Born Pretty Chameleon 3D Magnetic Aurora series. In this set there is Astral Realm, Lightning, The Gravity, Greenland Night, Fairbanks Arts, and Aurora Borealis. If you are interested in purchasing this polish, I will leave a link in the description box below where you can do that. They have it on their website at bornprettystore.com for $5.39. It is 10% off, so it's normally $5.99. That is USD. So if you're interested in any of these polishes seen here, you can check it out in the description box below. Fairbanks Arts is a gold green polish. It looks absolutely beautiful in the bottle. It reminds me of Halloween. So I'm really excited that they sent me that as a gift to use for the autumn and Halloween season. So for this polish to look correct on your nail, you do need to add a black base coat. For that, I'm using my Broadway Nails polish, Blackout. And you do want it to be an opaque layer, so you may need to use 1 to 2 layers depending upon which polish you're using and how thin the formula is. So now that my base coat has completely dried, I'm ready to add my first coat of the Fairbanks Arts. Immediately you see this gold and copper color just pop right off the nail. And it is so beautiful. It really reminds you of autumn and Halloween, the fall seasons. It's absolutely a perfect color for this season. However, you do not see any of the greens that you see whenever you look at the bottle itself, and I'm a little disappointed in that. I really wanted to see that green sort of shine through that golden copper color polish. And you will also see some streakiness in the polish. You'll be able to see your black polish shine through, so we're definitely going to need to add a second coat with this. With the polish swatch being finished, again, you really only see the gold and the copper colors. If you get the light to reflect off of your nail just the right way, you'll see a little hint of green every once in a while when you turn your nails in the light, but it's not really there. The main colors that someone would see on your nail is the gold and copper colors, and maybe just a tad bit of hint of green here and there, but you really don't get to see it really shine through. It might work better and shine through with the magnet, but I'm not using that here. Overall, rating it from 0 to 5 stars, 0 being the worst, 5 being the best, I would give this a 4. And the dry time for this was not quick at all. I did have to wait quite a bit of time in between each coat with the Fairbanks Arts before I started a new coat, and it took 2 good coats to get a really good cover against the black. And the formula was a bit runny, so you do want to be careful not to flood your cuticle, or have some acetone handy so you can clean up any messes as needed. So that is it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell button for notifications for when I upload new content, which I try to get out every Saturday if possible. Also, don't forget to add me to your Facebook. There will also be a link in the description box. I do a giveaway monthly to a random subscriber of mine, and I notify that person through Facebook. So if you add me, shoot me a message as well, so I'll be able to contact you if you are a winner of the monthly giveaway. So that is it, and I will see y'all next time.